For those who are wondering where I fish usually, I'll go ahead and show you. This is a Pundt Park. This leads into Spring Creek, and it's a pretty good creek to fish. You have white bass, channel catfish, blue catfish, crappie, carp, largemouth, bluegill, gar, gator gar, long-nosed gar, etc., etc. We're gonna go this way. It's a bike trail connected to this, so it's pretty good fishing over here though. I decided to come over here because I only have like 2 hours to fish before I gotta go to work. So hopefully I catch something on camera. Little camera shy though, but I'll get used to it down the road. And I'll go ahead and show you what I'm using. It's a, I know this is mainly meant for surf fishing. You got your pyramid sinker, then you got your 2 lined up hooks, you know, with the swivels, and then the 2 beads. But I decided, you know, I'm gonna give it a try, see if it works on can work on a creek, because I mean this creek does have a pretty strong current. So I'm gonna go ahead and try it out, see if I have any luck with it. Hopefully I do. So today is December 9th. Pretty chilly out here, but not too bad. I gotta find out where. Oh, here we go. A little chilly, but not too bad. 64 degrees outside. Looks like nobody's here, but I mean, as you can tell, you know, there's a creek. I'll go ahead and show you right now, since I'm overlooking the whole thing. Right up here, this is where the largemouth are usually going to be. And then further on down to that point, it's going to be a bluegill, and then you have your catfish, blue catfish, and everything else. Let's go further down here. And then further down there, you're going to have your catfish and your white bass. Where you see that little sand mountain right over there. And then this way, there's going to be more largemouth, and then some catfish as well. So I'm going to try to go to the deepest point if I can get down here. Oh shit. All right. Yep. Current's pretty strong. You guys can tell. It's raining here. It actually just snowed the other day. Unbelievable. Texas weather, very unpredictable. But at the same time, predictable as well. Yep, it's pretty high up, so you know, hope you'll have some luck today. Oh crap, it's muddy. Yeah, water level looks pretty high today. Hopefully it might have some promising catches. Righty. See, right over here is where the white bass are usually going to be, and there's a drop off just ahead. And right over here is where I usually catfish. You'll catch some decent ones, so. Right up in here. Further down there is probably gonna be mainly, there's some guy ended up catching a, I think it was maybe a 30-inch blue catfish, just a straight head. Caught some guard over there too, so there's a huge drop off, and it gets a lot deeper too, so I'm gonna go ahead and stick that in. All right, then unravel this. All right. Whoa. Has some pretty good hooks on in there, so circle hooks, pretty big. I don't know why I put big ones on there though, but you never know what you're gonna catch from this creek, so. All right. This thing does not want to come undone. There we go. Barbs are sharp. Oh, this thing's such a hassle. It's pretty windy out here now. It's getting really windy. At least the sun's out. All right. Jeez. Oh, just got hooked a little bit. Let's see. There we go. One more loop. Oh, he's caught. Got a hook. I think that might be, nope. Got one more. All right. There we go. That might be it. I think I might have gotten it. Hold on just a minute. Got hooked again. Pull that up. Hopefully that will work. Maybe, maybe not. Holy dang. Wow, this should not take this long. I am sorry about that, but I think it's knotted down. Oh boy. Could be fishing right now, but thing does not want to cooperate. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and cut it because it's knotted. Let me see if I can get my keys real quick. little Swiss Army knife comes in handy. There we go. Let's see, I don't know what. There we go. Problem fixed.